Hey guys, today unboxing this one and this Apple product here, and lightning to headphone jack adapter, and this one, and look the price, this one, and price is 900 rupees. Okay, and manufacture this okay, forget it, this are not from manufacturing date here, and this model number here, lightning to 3.mm headphone jack adapter, and this one. Okay, let's do the unboxing and remove the shape. Okay, go to the box, open. Okay, this one, set the box, and look the this one little product, and lightning to headphone jack, and this one, in this lightning to headphone and converter here, and little here headphone jack here. Okay, set this one, and look the box on another accessories. Okay, this one accessories, this some paperwork, this book, always using guide, no nothing. Okay, all side this one. Okay, it is the box. Okay, also side, and this one little bit here, and so little bit in this Apple product here, original. Okay, and side door. Thanks for watching guys my video. Like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you guys. Next time.